Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers expert boiler services in Los Gatos, California 95060, specializing in gas boilers, hydronic systems, and radiant heating. With a focus on energy efficiency and reliable performance, our skilled technicians provide tailored solutions backed by industry-leading warranties to ensure comfort and peace of mind. Are you looking for boiler services in Los Gatos, California 95060? You can stop looking, you found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What boiler services are available in Los Gatos, California 95060? Our boiler services in Los Gatos, California 95060 include installation, repair, and maintenance of gas boilers, combination boilers, and hydronic systems. We also specialize in radiant heating, hot water systems, and energy-efficient solutions, offering tailored services to keep your home warm and comfortable. What are the signs that my boiler needs maintenance in Los Gatos, California 95060? Signs your boiler needs maintenance in Los Gatos, California 95060 include unusual noises, inconsistent heating, water leaks, low pressure, or rising energy bills. Our experienced technicians can quickly diagnose and fix these issues to restore your boiler's performance. What is the service area of Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides services in various locations around Scotts Valley, including Bonny Doon, Rio Del Mar, Aptos, Boulder Creek, Chemeketa Park, Brookdale, Capitola, Soquel, Live Oak, Lomond, Seabright, Olympia, Mount Hermon, Laurel, Felton, and Santa Cruz. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located in Los Gatos, California? We are located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive Avenue Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Our phone number is 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Scots-Valley-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair.